Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're tackling how to unblock someone in WeChat 2025. WeChat is a super popular messaging app, but sometimes you block someone in the heat of the moment and later regret it. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can reconnect quickly and easily. This guide is based on the 2025 updates, so make sure you're using the latest version for the smoothest experience. First things first, grab your phone and open the WeChat app. Once you're in, look for the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually the one with your profile icon. Tap on that to access your personal settings. Now, scroll down and find the Settings option. It might be labeled as Settings or Me Settings, depending on your device. Next, in the Settings menu, hunt for the Privacy section. This is where WeChat keeps all your account security features. Once you're in Privacy, look for Blocked Contacts or something similar. It could be under Manage Contacts in the 2025 version. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of people you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock, tap on their name, and then hit the Unblock button that appears. WeChat might ask for confirmation, so just follow the prompt to confirm your action. And just like that, you're done. The person should now be able to contact you again, and you'll see their messages in your chat history. Remember, unblocking doesn't automatically send a notification to them, so reach out if you want to chat. If you run into any issues, double-check that your app is updated, as WeChat frequently rolls out changes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected and see you in the next video.